We'll figure it out. What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I really do appreciate y'all coming back. Title pretty much says it for itself. Yeah, as you hear my dog in the background, they love wrestling with each other for some reason. Yeah, I'm done fiddling around with the truck for a couple of days, so I decided to go ahead and have a little bit of a family fun time. And, well, I got something here that my mother bought my daughter for her birthday, and we are going to actually install it. We're going to put it together. So as you guys can see, I've got here is a 7.5-foot Jump King for my daughter that I'm going to be installing. You know, sometimes it's not all about working on project cars or doing events or going out and, you know, focusing on just cars. Sometimes it's good to just get away from that and do something fun and exciting for family. As you see, my daughter right here, she's got her other trampoline that she's jumping on. And she's extremely happy and excited to get this Jump King. Excuse me. So, if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're not interested in this channel, well, I apologize, but this is going to be happening every so often. So, it's not just going to be just all about car content, building, doing this, doing that. I will give you all a heads up that the Holly Terminator has been ordered for Banshee, and that in the next video we will be going back over to Powerhouse Performance so that we can take care of all the leaks, and on top of that, redoing the intercooler piping a little bit differently in design wise. So stay tuned for that. But like I said, if you are new to the channel and you enjoy some of the stuff that I've been doing so far, and you're interested and you're excited to see how the truck is going to be, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Leave any comments down below if you have any at the end of the video or during the video. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get started on this and yeah, see how my daughter likes it. Alright, I got my daughter holding the camera right now, so
whoa!
Open all this stuff up real quick.
Yikes! That was scary. Whoa. So excited. Lifty, lifty. Holy moly, that's a lot.
Well, hot damn, guys. There's, for a 7.5-foot trampoline, there's a lot of stuff going on over here. I'm hoping that I have my tools with me, because if I don't, I have to go run up to the other shop. But, yeah, there's a lot to assemble for just a small little 7.5-foot for a tiny little girl. Want to wave hi, say hello?
Hi.
Yeah, that'd be my little one. She just turned 6 years old a few weeks back. So, yeah. But yeah. So, time to assemble. have it. Once it's all assembled, it actually looks really, really cool. 7.5 feet, and now my daughter will have plenty of time to have fun on it. Play, jump, do whatever. If she wants, she can sit down, relax, play on her tablet, whatever she wants to do with it. While I'm sitting there working on any of the projects that are around this property, including working on Blue. But pretty neat little unit. It took a little bit of time to figure out because the instructions really don't get too much detail on how to actually assemble this thing. So hopefully everything is done correctly. All the springs are on very nicely. I love the fact that this has its own little locking mechanism here. If I can get it off, pretty good tightness. And then here you just, nice little door for them to go in. But this thing has some really good spring to it. It's able to hold up to, I think it's like 285 pounds. So even myself can actually jump on this if I wanted to, but not at the same time with my daughter. So as you guys can already see, I already got a bird, took a dump on the damn thing, so I gotta wash that off. But for a unit, it's a pretty solid unit. It's nice and sturdy. Once it's assembled, I mean, hell, why not? You know, for the price that it was, I think it was like as a matter of fact, it was like 75, 80 bucks on clearance. I don't know if they still have it on clearance over at your local Walmart, but that's where my mother picked it up for my daughter for her birthday. So, and like I said, guys, I'm going to be doing on and off projects other than just doing vehicle stuff. So please stay tuned. Next video, I'm going to be over at Powerhouse Performance to take care of all the leaky issues that we have with Banshee, and we're also going to rework the intercooler piping. I'll see you guys on the flip side. I'll see you guys next time in the next video over at Powerhouse Performance. Alright, so hit that subscribe button, definitely give it a thumbs up, and hit that bell notification for when you get notified for new videos coming out. Alright?